Welcome to another unboxing video for the Volkswagen Transporter T6 side repeaters. Let's take a closer look. These are dynamic flowing, which I will illustrate in a minute using a 12-volt feed. They fit in 2015 to 2020 models. They have built-in resistors, so no errors should occur on your dashboard. They are designed to fit like the original ones. So they have a metal clip on this side and a peel-off sticker here. They are fully road legal, MOT compliant and E-marked. So let's take a closer look. As you can see, they have a nice smoke design. Now let's get them illuminated.